progressive journalism, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updates. The US intelligence community has assessed that Islamic State in Afghanistan could have the capability to attack the United States in as little as 6 months and has the intention to do so, a senior Pentagon official told Congress. The remarks by Colin Kahl, Under-Secretary of Defense for Policy, are the latest reminder that Afghanistan could still pose serious national security concerns for the United States, even after it ended its 2-decade-old war in defeat in August. In testimony before the Senate Armed Services Committee, Kahl said it was still unclear whether the Taliban has the ability to fight Islamic State effectively following the US withdrawal in August. The United States fought the Taliban as well as striking groups like Islamic State and Al-Qaeda. US officials privately warned that identifying and disrupting groups like Al-Qaeda and Islamic State is extremely difficult without any troops in the country. Drones capable of striking Islamic State and Al-Qaeda targets are being flown in from the Gulf. Kahl said the United States did not yet have any agreement with countries neighboring Afghanistan to host troops for counter-terrorism efforts.